some might say.
Sketch level has just gone up to 10.
Not like that rushed one bit.
This has got to be the narrowest road ever.
The van has filled it.
One wrong move here, you're sleeping with the fishes. Just went through one hell of a tiny bridge. I don't know if Connor's made it. Hey, there he is.
Release the bumhole.
Coming back through that is going to be an absolute shite there.
It's a good idea to put speed bumps either side of it.
Yeah, like anyone's going to try and speed through that. Another one. Oh! Go down and have a look.
I feel like one of us should go, one of us should stay. They might leave.
Oh, he takes up the whole thing as well.
I've got a look. I mean, we could walk down.
Parking for 8 vehicles or one dozy that parks in the middle.
God, the seal looks so rough as well. Pretty epic. I don't know, I mean, there's like a track at the bit at the end. We could probably all park.
Why have you come
Just
back
down
then?
here.
Because he couldn't hear me and I couldn't ring you.
Doesn't that look just like Nice Point? So that almost the same.
It's pretty cool here though.
Moves the way, innit?
Yeah?
It's out the way.
Definitely. If we could get onto it, That would be pretty mega.
Yeah.
Get onto this bit. Oh, pretty good sunset picture. Sheep path, ain't it? Is it a good view though? There's a path. Well, it's a path now. God, that looks mega. Mental. Be a pro.
Up. Up.
No.
Right, we've decided for once to make the sensible decision and go back and find a better spot for all of us, because one of us is probably going to die if we try and park over there. So, yeah. Oh well, it's nice to have a look down there though. We're a touch behind on the filming because I didn't really film anything yesterday or this morning, but I'll try and keep up to date now. Nice and steady, no rush. Shame, because this would have been an epic spot, but yeah, I don't want to clog up the whole car park, so. Over to admire that sunset, folks.
Oh, I can't wait to get full.
Chinese. Is it cheap? Oh! No. I feel like we're going to get salmonella from it.
Yeah. I don't understand Chinese.
Morning folks, how you all doing? So just got another batch of stickers to go off because there's a post box just down there, so we'll take full advantage of that. Yeah, the recording's been a bit flaky the last couple of days. We just had a bit of chill time really, and catching up on stuff, sorting things out, that kind of thing. We are quite far north, we're on the mainland. I'm looking directly over at Skye right now. I miss Skye. I think we're going to have to go back there quite soon and explore it properly. We're heading up towards Ullapool because by the looks of it, that's like a town kind of thing. Or they've got some big shops there, so we can go and get stocked up and all of that jazz. But yeah, yesterday we went and explored that lighthouse. I was hoping we'd get parked up down there, but it was it was very sketchy actually. There was a park up, but there was already a motorhome there, and he'd parked like a bit of a knob, so we'd end up blocking the whole car park if we'd have stayed there. And then we sort of scouted it out to park a bit further down, but it was a bit dodgy. And getting stuck where I got stuck the other day is one thing, but getting stuck down there at the end of like a 15-mile bloody single track road probably wouldn't be good. Look at this though. So this is our view this morning. How mad is that? That's not bad going. Right, so there we go. Just delivered the letters. We're at the community centre. Just called in to go toilet and stuff. Really nice little village this is. We've been sort of hanging around this area for a couple of days. It's called Gairloch, or Gairloch, however you say it. Really nice. We've got everything here. Shop, toilets, there's even campsites where you can, you know, empty and stuff, but they're not open at the minute, so I guess that's more of a summer thing. Right, we're off. So I found a little spot about half an hour away. Check it out. You're right, hopefully. Bought some different lures to try the fishing. Because I've just been catching like little ones and putting them back, so it ain't really fair to eat them. So hopefully be able to get something bigger now. That'll be good. Straight back into the awesomeness as soon as I get out of that village. Oh, I love it here. It's brilliant. Oh, hello. God, look at that. I don't think we'll stay here the night, but I don't know, maybe. We'll see. I feel like this is lose your hat territory.
Oh, yeah.
Beach.
Drop it. Drop it, you scumbag. Come on then. Ready? Ready? Drop it, Ants.
Why is Bolsky just running around in circles? Come on then. You going?
Go on, Bob. Go on, Bob. Go on. I think he likes it when Max gets it
Right. We are heading off. Tried to do a little bit of fishing down the coast, but it weren't any good. Really, really shallow. Didn't catch anything, but it's fun trying.
Okay.
So now we are heading to Ullapool, I believe. Well, instantly have to pull over because Scotland. Just cruising through the residential streets of Liverpool, trying to find Tesco.
Oh, look on that bastard.
Oh, is there a ferry port here?
Ferry, technically.
Yeah. Where's the ferry go?
Guys, nice.
There's only one. We found showers. Free. That looks a big win. Liverpool Harbour. In there you get free shower. Alright, so we're all showered and stuff. And now we're going to go find a park. Alright, after much faffing, we found a spot which is in the woods. Obviously you can't see anything until tomorrow. Well spotted, sir.
Yeah, after that complete up. I'll have to redeem myself, didn't I?
And there's a waterfall here. Oh wow.
Come on. This will do.
Yeah. There's internet.
Is it?
Yeah.
We've got the spot!
Yeah. Beach.
So this place we've got tomorrow.
Yeah. Bloody hell.
Down.
That's some power to rip that out.
Yeah.
Lads, how do you manage to get over there for what?
Oh, that'll do. Back
No, don't know if you've seen that before. Just put my my worktop extension on. Just slots on. On that. Give me a bit of extra space when I know I'm not going to be opening the side door. Me cooking tonight. Spaghetti pollard incoming.